Hello, Jack Middleton, the Empowered Vegan here, and this week we're making a salad. So I realized that we are kind of getting deep into this YouTube channel. I mean, maybe not as deep as Casey Neistat, but we're getting there, we're moving along. And I realized that I haven't done any green foods yet. So I decided to do a salad. Now this salad is excellent. It has been tested in my classes and people love it. So get ready for this. This is kind of like a salad Buddha bowl hybrid. It doesn't feel ballsy enough to call it a Buddha bowl, so I'm calling it a salad. It's a harvest salad. It's got a pear vinaigrette. It is absolutely lovely. When you're making this salad, the first thing that you want to start with is you want to cut up that squash and get that in the oven. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is put your quinoa on the stove. Now when I cook my quinoa, I toast it in the pan with oil and salt. Why? Because it tastes better that way. And normally I'd add stock, but I only had water, so I added water, and that's just fine. Still gonna taste delicious. Now while those are cooking, what you can do is you can get your vinaigrette ready. How are you gonna get that ready? You're gonna take all of your ingredients, throw it into a blender, and buzz it until it's emulsified. What does emulsified mean? Emulsified means that two liquids that are not happy together get forced to be married together. It's almost like an arranged marriage for liquids. Yeah, that works. Okay, so dressing is made. Squash is roasted beautifully, and the quinoa is cooked and it's fluffy and delightful, and it is just chilling, ready to go. So what do we have left to do? All we need to do is cut up our grapes. So the camera wasn't rolling when I was cutting these grapes, but luckily I noticed before I cut through all of them, so I can show you this quick technique about how to cut grapes like a boss. Please pay attention to the hyperflex fingers, as that is the motion that is keeping your fingers from getting chopped off. All right, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for the recipe, you can find that down below in the description section. And if you liked this video, like it. If you want to say something, comment. If you want to see more videos on salads, let me know, because I have more salad recipes. I just didn't want to bore you. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, because as always, there are more delicious recipes coming your way, straight to your notification inbox if you hit that bell symbol down below. I hope you enjoy taking this vegan salad into the weekend, and I will see you in the next video.